Okay, welcome back. This is what I have for you today. Sequin flowers. As you can see, it shines a lot. It's an applique. So when I'm done, I'll cut it out from this fabric. So let's get started. First of all, I have my threaded needle here. I threaded it double. You can see it's double. So the first step is this is an organza fabric. You can use any type of fabric you want. It doesn't matter since you're going to cut your applique out. So the first thing I did was to draw the circle. Yeah, I drew a double circle. First the main circle, then a small inner circle. So on this outer circle, okay, sorry, these are the materials we'll need. We need size 4 strand bead. This bead glitters so well. And we also need our cup sequin beads. So our cup sequin beads. So without much ado, you pass your needle into this outer circle. You pull it. To make this easier so you won't get confused, you just bring out three sequin beads. Sorry, bring out three sequins. Bring out three sequins. One should face up, the others should face downwards so that you won't get confused. Face up, see, this is facing up, this is facing up, and this is facing down. You can see. So that's how we're going to place it here so that you won't get confused. So the one that is facing up, we're going to pick it up. We'll pick it up first. We'll pick up one of our clear crystal bead. We'll pick up another of the bead facing downwards. Pick it up as it's facing downwards. This is clear. This is it. It's facing downwards. Pick it up, facing downwards. Push it down. Pick up our bead again. Pick up the other bead, the other sequin, facing downwards. Pick it up, push it, and then we'll pick up two of our crystal beads. Two. And push it all the way down. So now this inner circle, this is where to come in useful. We just pass your anywhere, okay, not really anywhere, but directly below on the inner circle. Pass your needle and pull your thread. So we have our first petal. As you can see, that first one we picked up facing up is not facing downwards, while the other ones we picked facing downwards are not facing up. So let me just repeat it again, and then I'll finish it up, and I'll show you how to close up the middle like this. So like I said before, you pass your needle to continue. As you can see where my needle is coming out of, pass your needle. And let me say about just a little bit out. Like I said before, bring out three sequins. One should face up, two should face downwards. Pick up the one facing up, pick up one crystal bead, pick up one facing down, pick up one crystal bead, pick up the last sequin facing down, and now we're picking up two crystal beads. So we'll push it to the end, and then we will pass our needle close on the inner circle here. Are you seeing? So now I'm going to finish this up and then close it up. Okay, I'm done. I'm on the last one, so I'm going to pass it in the middle here. So we're done filling out our circle. Now I'm going to show you how to close up the center. So we're not cutting our thread, it's still connected. So we'll just pass our needle here. This is where our thread is coming up from. So we're going to pick up our needle sequin facing downwards. This is the sequin. It's facing downwards. It's facing downwards, as you can see. So we're picking it from above. Push it down. Pull it down to the work. And then we'll pass our needle. Listen. So to do the next one, we'll pass our needle close. Pick up our sequin facing downwards, with the cup facing downwards, I mean. We'll push it down. We'll push it. We'll put it. So you're going to do that till you get to the center, after which you just stitch the center beads, as you can see here. This is not clear. Yeah, this is clear. So as you can see, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. I'm going to put in the link in the description box to other videos. Please check it out. And then if you have anything you want me to improve on, just comment in the comment section. Thank you.